Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review on the infamous $110 La Mer foundation. Mom, please do not get mad at me. I know that's a steep price, but don't forget I got it with the VIB Rouge sale, so you know it's not that bad. But I'm so excited to show you my thoughts on this foundation, and I also have a little mini review on the Guerlain primer if you want to see that as well. So if you want to keep watching this video, then let's just get started. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the foundation and exactly what it says on the website, and then I'm going to go into a demo, and then I'm going to tell you the pros and cons and then my final thoughts on the product. So this foundation has SPF 20. And I'm going to read exactly what it said on the website. So it is a weightless touch and natural buildable coverage for luxurious long wear, blending healing hydration and luminous color. This treatment refines the look of pores and imperfections while enhancing skin's natural beauty and stays true even in humidity. And it is available in 21 shades. So we're gonna try this out. I already have my thoughts on it because I'm actually not gonna do a wear test. I have been wearing it for about 2 weeks now, so I feel like I have an idea of what I think about the foundation already. So I'm just gonna go straight into applying it to my face. But first and foremost, you always gotta use a moisturizer. And I have been using the new one I just had in my haul. It is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. And I really love this stuff. Okay. So now I'm going to go into primer. And I'm actually going to do just a little bit of a review on this primer as well. Just because I feel like so many people are going to ask about this and want to know how good it works because of my last video, and I did mention I was going to put it in the video, so this is just going to be a small review, and down below I could also put a timestamp for when the La Mer foundation review is. But this is the Laura Guerlain primer with the little gold flakes in it. So I'm just going to read you what it says on the website, and then I'm just going to tell you really quick how I feel about it. So, the description's actually really cute. It says, Guerlain Laura is an embellishing makeup base sprinkled with pure 24 karat gold flakes. Like the most luxurious I can't even speak. Like the most luxurious jewelry pieces, the precious flakes were crafted into ultra sparkling and ultra reflective particles, then dispersed in a hydrating smoothing gel. The complexion is beautified. It glows with divine, unfailing radiance. Skin is smooth, supple, and satiny, ready for perfect, enhanced, and long-lasting makeup. Fancy. But honestly, I mean, I just got it because it had some gold flakes in it, but honestly, I really do like it. So I'm just going to tell you right now, I do like it. I see a difference in my skin. I definitely see that my skin is more plump. It's more hydrated, which is like the #1 thing I always need in my skin is for it to be hydrated. Like I said, I am dry all year round throughout the summer. I swear I am never oily. Like, my face just absorbs product. By the end of the day, I have like little dry patches everywhere. It's crazy. But I really love this. I'm gonna apply it right now. You have to really make sure you massage it into your face really good because the gold flakes will stay if you do not blend them in good. And I'm sure you guys are wondering about the fragrance as well. It's very, very light floral fragrance. I also have sensitive skin, so it doesn't bother my skin at all. I mean, while I'm rubbing it in, it's going to turn red, but it's not bad at all. It just has like the slightest fragrance, but it's really nice. It's nothing that like I'm bothered by. And now we are going to go into the most important part, which is the La Mer foundation. Okay, so here's the foundation. I hope it's my color right now just because I did get it a little bit darker for the summer. But as you can see, I'm getting a little tan, okay? I'm getting a little tanner. This is in the shade Linen 13, and I'm just gonna apply it. So I am gonna tell you that on the website, it does say to either use the brush that they're selling on their website, which I did not want to pay any money for, or your fingertips. But I mean, honestly, for everything, I use a beauty blender. I just love my beauty blender. I think it gives me the most flawless skin-like look, so that's what I prefer to use. So I'm just going to take the foundation and use my finger. and apply dots all over my face. And I'm just going to blend the foundation in with my beauty blender.
Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite.
Alright, so this is how the foundation looks on the skin. Alright, so now I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to tell you the pros and cons and then my final thoughts on the product. Be right back. Alright, so I have my finished makeup look on for today, and I didn't do that much because it's actually really warm where I live right now. It's starting to get super hot out, so I just did a very natural makeup look. But now we're going to go into the pros and the cons of the La Mer foundation. And for pros, I have it is flawless. It's honestly flawless. I feel like I have a filter on my face. Honestly, my skin has never looked so good, and I hate to say that because of the price, but my skin looks amazing. It honestly looks like I have the, I don't know if you know what filter I'm talking about on Snapchat. I call it like the cute filter, where it just makes your skin look so perfect. But I look poreless, and I can also say that even without the primer, the foundation looks flawless. And I had poreless as the next one, but I just got into that. Like I just look so good. I don't know what it is. Is there magic in it? Someone please tell me if there's magic in it, because there might be. And the last thing is that it stays all day. I have put this on from 8 o'clock in the morning and have gotten home around 8 o'clock at night, 8, 9 o'clock at night, and my skin looks the exact same. I'm not kidding you. This foundation lasts the entire day on me, and it looks just as flawless. I mean, I don't know what's in it. It makes my skin look amazing, which is so annoying because I don't want to buy this again. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's so expensive, but I might have to. But for cons, I have the first one, obvious, what I said this entire time. It's expensive. It's $110 normally. And the second con is that it could be more hydrating. So I know not a lot of people are gonna have this problem, but like I said previously, my skin is so dry. Like, there's dry patches. It's just always so dry. I exfoliate, I try everything. My skin's dry. I mean, I don't know what else to say. But I will say it's not as dry with this. When I use everything with it, it looks super good, like the routine I just showed you right now. And basically that's it. So my final thoughts, if you guys haven't guessed already, I really, really love this foundation. I try so many foundations all the time, and I've never been so impressed with a foundation before, which, like I said, it sucks. The price is steep, but to me, it's worth it. I guess you guys just kind of have to watch the video and decide whether it's worth it for yourself, but I definitely really do love this foundation. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it and you kind of got an idea of whether you want to splurge on this foundation or not. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and leave me a comment of what you guys would like me to do next. I have a couple ideas up my sleeve, but if there's anything in specific you want to see next, just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.